Lily loves the feel of her mother's dress, but her father wants her to dress as Tim and act like a boy. How can she ever convince him that she's really a girl? Her mother and sister have accepted it, but not her father. So when he sees Lily dressed up, he is furious, and the new boy on the block sees her as well. When school starts, the new boy, Norbert Dorfman, is confused to meet Tim. He was sure he had seen a girl who looked just like him. Lily befriends Norbert and nicknames him Duncan because he's always drinking Dunkin' Donuts coffee. The two become friends, but Duncan is recruited to join the basketball team because of his height. These are the boys who are making Lily's life miserable. When Lily confides in Duncan about her desire to live openly as a girl, will that change everything? And what is Duncan hiding from everyone? Lily and Duncan by Donna Gephardt, Delacorte Press, 2016.